Hey everyone, it's Click How. Today I'm going to show you how to change your email address in ChatGPT, but only on PC because the mobile app doesn't have this option. First, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and go to Settings. Then click the Account tab on the left side. Now, click on your email address. It'll let you type a new one. Enter your new email, then check that inbox for a confirmation link and click it. One important thing, if you originally signed up with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, you need to add a password to your account first. Go to Account Settings, click Add Password, then follow the same steps. A quick tip, you can change your email up to 2 times in 24 hours and 20 times total over your account's lifetime. Also, once you change it, your old email can never be used to create another ChatGPT account. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.